Now I invite Dr. Ramchandra for his keynote address on impact of online classes on refractive errors among school-going children, a cross-sectional study. Need of the hour, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am presenting the keynote of the impact of online classes on refractive error among school-going children, a cross-sectional study. Uncorrected refractive error have been major cause of visual impairment in the world. The number of people suffering from the refractive error have been increased over the year. The most concerning population with refractive error is pediatric age group. Children already have more likely to develop myopia since there is an increased trend of the spending time indoor using computer, playing video games. The COVID era has only added this burden by the compiling school-going children to the continue their education via online classes. There has been a spike in the number of children presenting the OPD with complaint of headache, eye strain with visual disturbance and the rubbing of the eye. A cross-sectional study was conducted amongst school-going children to the OPD with complaint of the visual disturbance related symptoms between January to March 2023. History was taken about the use of digital device for attending online classes, and children who are attending online classes were selected from the study. A total 116 children were selected from the study. These children were first asked to do questionnaire, and these children were underwent complete visual assessment via tretinooscopy. The data collected was compared with the data similar to the cohort database from the January to March 2019, and the results were analyzed. From the January to March 2023, total 178 children presented to OPD with complaint of visual disturbance, stenotic symptoms, and out of 178, 116 children were willing for the part of our study, agreed to fill the questionnaire. From January to March 2019, total 122 children presented to OPD with complaint of visual disturbance, and 116 selected randomly from our study. There is a children are OPD with disturbance, slightly 35% increase in refractive errors compared 2019 and 2023. And in out of 160, 67 was girls and 33 was boys which presented to the OPD. The similar cohort is 116 children with 46 was girls and 63% was boys in January, March 2029. This is age-wise distribution. In no such distribution, slightly 12 to 13 year age increase in 2023, 32%, and there is symptoms presented in OPD. Stenotic symptom, newly diagnosed refractive error has slightly increased, and the major symptoms worsening of the pre-existing refractive error in 41%. And this is a bar chart diagram. Can you show only worsening of the pre-existing refractive error increase in 47% cases, and in 38% children where newly diagnosed refractive error have only myopia in 78% cases. And the newly diagnosed refractive error, you can see myopia increase incidence. And the 47% have already pre-existing refractive error have myopia in the 81% cases has found. You can see in the bar diagram, myopia increased 2019 to 2023 year. And since the COVID-19 period has been 2020, school has been increased subject to the online classes. For the screen population, their daily online classes are ranged from 4 to 8 hours. Their screening time increased, therefore outdoor activity have decreased drastically. Lesson outdoor activity has known to be significantly associated with higher incidence of myopia in school-age children. Concerning the raised about the addiction to mobile tablet use of such a young mind, such worsened burden of myopia from the 20 to 2023 has almost 35% rise in the number of children presenting to the OPD with complaint of refractive error and the associated symptoms. Our study, 33% children were newly diagnosed with refractive error, while 41% children worsening their pre-existing refractive error, and the 27% had stenotic symptoms. There was 47% in the number of children who were newly diagnosed refractive, and 38.3% is number of children with worsening of their existing refractive error. And now during the COVID-19 pandemic, Digitalization of education of school-going children was necessary to step continue the study, but the impact of digital devices ocular health of the children are major challenges. Use the digital device frequently and for long hour and stretching the attend the online classes have impact of severe the ocular health in many children. Children have been suffering from the ocular discomfort, headache, disturbance. This dependent on online classes has increased the burden of the refractive error in children, especially in school going among children, myopia, right follow the astigmatic symptom and dry eye. Take home message, better approach to shorter the duration of online classes and frequent break and the more importantly education the parent of such children about the patient harm exposing the increase the duration of a digital screen and the method of scrub them and along with encouragement of the participant in outdoor activity. Thank you.
So what should we do? What should we do? We should allow children for online classes or not?
I
What
should
is-
advise the increase outdoor activity and frequent break between the online classes.
Even when like I have two kids, one is in class 1,
Yes.
so she has daily her homework is coming on WhatsApp only.
Yeah.
There's a one app, Classroom app, but her homework is coming daily on phone. Okay, what I suggest my patients and what I do with my child is I give her printouts. I invested in a printer, so I give her I suggest all my patients to invest in a printer, take printout and then give it to children
जी मैम?
for the
I
homework.
didn't
For homework, you can add that point in your slide for the printer.
no, I reduce the screen time.
Yes.
Yes, and better to advise the offline classes and duration of time in screen is reduced to better approach to reduce the myopic patient and refractive error.
Your opinion, sir? Sir, homework is submitted in the form of papers only. In the form of papers only. In the notebooks only they submit, but homework is sent on the phone. Daily homework is sent on the phone. So what I give printouts to them. I don't give phone. Because usually my child is in first class, so she is like little bit under control. But for the elder ones, they are like कि हम homework कर रहे हैं, but they will surf it. They will use phone extra.
So convenience teaching, I should say. I think we should take it at the AIS level,
Yes.
and then at the school screening, we should educate the teachers to avoid online work.
So I am doing
We
it.
have to motivate them, aware them, make them aware. Subsequently, they would change.
I usually conduct one session, eye care session per month at different schools. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Now the parents would say, tell him not to use the phone.
Yes.
So who's giving them?
We are only giving them.